Hi guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. As you guys know, I'm a game developer, and developing game world is not that easy, especially if you want super realistic environment. What if I tell you that today you can actually scan it, alright, using a 3D LiDAR scanner and scan the whole object and export it into a 3D model that you guys can use, alright, for your game environment in less than a few minutes? Well, let me introduce you to this Realsee Galois 3D LiDAR scanner right over here. So yeah, what I have here, this is the Realsee Galois M2, alright, and this is a very detailed, alright, 3D LiDAR scanner, alright, and what we have here is a 4/3 inch, alright, CMOS sensor that can capture every detail in perfect 16K details. And over here we have a 940 nanometers class 1 LiDAR scanner right over here, and overall this whole thing just weighs only 2.66 kg. So today we're gonna use this, alright, to scan my house, alright, and we can actually use this to do a virtual tour of my house, which is really incredible because it does auto stitching together, so you don't have to stitch it manually with a 360 camera, because the LiDAR actually scans every detail and every part of the house, right, to map out the exact correct positioning for every place you place this camera in, so that it has a perfect flow through and a perfect stitching of every room and every corner it is, which is really incredible. Alright, and after that we're going to export that into a 3D model that can be used, alright, into from a game. So you can export it into Unity or Unreal Engine and use it as a background to make game look so much more realism. Okay, before that, let me just talk about what are the accessories you get when you're getting this Galois M2. Well, you get this, alright, LiDAR scanner itself, plus you get a huge, really good, very sturdy tripod right over here, and as well as a battery pack charger that can charge your battery, and your battery for this can last up to 8 hours, which is incredibly long for any scans that you are doing. And it does comes with a backpack itself, so you can fit your tripod, alright, your battery charger, and this scanner into the backpack itself, and you can bring it anywhere to do your scanning. So this device right here shoots up to 5 exposure per frame for up to ultra clear HDR, alright, panoramas, and as well as up to 134 million pixels of details per scan, which is super incredible. And as well as the LiDAR scans up to a radius of 25 meters and an error margin of down to 20 nanometers, which is really incredibly detailed, alright, so that you guys can use this to scan any places up to the super fine details. I can see every single object and every single detail, alright, using this, alright, Galois M2 LiDAR scanner right over here. Okay, so setting this thing up is very simple. You just have to place this on the tripod itself and place it in the location that you want it to scan, alright, from the first point that you want to scan, probably at the entrance of the house itself, alright, and just connects it to this Wi-Fi, his own Wi-Fi itself, and from the app itself you can just click on start scanning, and you start scanning, and the whole scanning process takes about 30 seconds or even less, alright, and once the scanning is done, you guys can move the tripod to the next position, alright, and do another scan again. Alright, you guys can do multiple scans up to from different positions of the house, and it can also support multiple levels of the house as well. So just bring it to different rooms and just make sure that every door is open, so that it's managed to stitch all the details at once, so you don't have to do any manual stitching together for different areas as well. So you auto stitch it for you, and you guys can see, alright, it creates the environment in real time while it is scanning, which is really cool. Alright, and this thing uses advanced HDR and auto white balance, so that if the room or anywhere that is scanning the basement, anywhere that is dark or have little to less light, alright, it can still capture the details in really clear details thanks to its advanced HDR and auto white balance itself. So once I'm done scanning my whole house, I can go ahead and connect it to the internet and click on generate, and it will generate, alright, the whole house tour for you. Alright, and this generation takes about maybe 7 to 10 minutes. So at this time, you guys can exit an app and do any other thing, or just grab yourself a cup of coffee, sit back and relax until the generation is done. So now the generation is done, let me just go ahead and show you how this thing actually looks like, alright, to do a virtual house tour of my house right now. As you guys can see, I can move around the house, all right, just by clicking point to point, and each point is where I exactly place the camera at. And as you guys can see, all right, it also eliminate any tripod or anything, all right, on it, so that, you know, it just feels like a full 360-degree view. You guys can look up, look down, all right, and you guys can move around and see different angles and can move around the whole house freely, all right, very easily from point to point, all right. And it also helps you create like a floor plan as well, which is super cool. And you guys can see every details of my house is captured very clearly compared to any other 360 cameras out there, where when you zoom into the details you can barely see anything because it's all very blurry. But with this, even if you zoom in, you still can see all the details of the house really clear, and it's really amazing for, especially if you're a real estate agent. This can be really useful for house tour as well, all right, for your clients to see without being physically on site, which is the one of the bonus point of this. And you guys can get many clients and improve on your profit as well, which is one of the most amazing features of this Galois M2. All right, so you guys can see how incredible that thing is. Now we are going to export it to Unity. So how do you guys are going to export it to Unity? It's really simple. All right, from there you just need to click, all right, and they will have a lot of different options that you can export it to, all right, like texture map, cube map, file maps, all this. But I'm going to generate it into a 3D model and export the 3D model right into an object file that I can directly import with the texture into Unity itself. So as you guys can see, I have exported it and downloaded into Unity right now, and as you guys can see, now this is a full 3D model that I can use, all right, for my Unity project or my game project as well. Although I would recommend do some finishing touches up in Blender to make, you know, the 3D model looks much better. But for now, all right, as the raw exported data, you guys can see it still looks quite good, all right. But I would recommend using this 3D model for, like, you know, a more external environment that is not close to the player itself. For the player closer to the player, I would recommend like physical assets like objects, all this, all right. But if you're just doing for realism of like environments, all right, like bigger scale environment, this will be really useful. You guys can make the object really big and the character really small, so that, you know, it just feels like the character is in the environment itself for the photorealism look of this. So which is really incredible. It can save me so much time as a game developer from developing, you know, exterior environment where I have to casually do it in Photoshop and as well as Blender itself. But with this, I just need to scan it, all right, enlarge it in Unity, and after that I can use it as a background environment with photorealism look as with it. So which is really incredible, and it's really time saving as well. So yeah, at $5,499 you guys can get this, all right, standard kit with the Galois M2 and as well as the tripod, the backpack itself, and the charger itself, all right. And you guys can, it's ready to set up and go. There is no configuration needed. Just download the Realsee app, and after that just set it up on the tripod, place it anywhere you want, and you are good to go. So this is how incredible this 3D LiDAR scanner is, and who is it actually intended for. So if you are a real estate agent, this will be perfect for you because you guys can make it into any virtual house tour without the client physically being on site. Or if you're like a game developer like me that requires quick, you know, prototyping or development of like external environments to make it looks, you know, photorealistic in your games, you guys can use this as well instead of spending hours on Blender and Photoshop, right, and After Effects just to do, you know, some background, you know, photorealism. So which is really incredible. So if you're interested in getting this Galois M2, you guys can use my discount code jforcegaming to get $300 off your total bill, which is a huge amount of savings. Alright, so if you're interested, go ahead, check out the first link in the video description down below and use my discount code jforcegaming to get $300 off right now. So yeah, that's all for the guys, and I hope you liked today's video, and to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want me to review any other, you know, products like this. Alright, and that's all for the guys, and this is jforcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.